Hello everyone, this is Julian from Kanen Coffee, and today we have a DeLonghi Dinamica with us in the shop. And I came in because when you turned on to brew any of the drinks and it tried grinding, if you looked inside of the grind hopper, the beans were just popping out. The burrs weren't able to catch any of the beans, and that's usually telling of your grinder going out. So we replaced it with a totally new grinder, your old grinder bean right here. Brand new one for this exact machine. And so before, when you try to brew, it will grind, but it wouldn't actually make a drink. And so we're gonna grind about 2 drinks, and then we're just gonna try to look at the pucks, just to show. And right here we're using a 3 amount setting. So this is the strong level. And when you put more beans grind, put less beans grind. So we're just gonna let this one brew, and then I'm gonna raise it up to 5 just so we could get more beans to grind. As you can see, it's getting an espresso shot out. And now we're gonna make it stronger, going to a 5 level, same thing, espresso. As you can hear, it will grind it longer, definitely. And now we're pouring. Cool. As you can see, shot looks good. Now we're just gonna pull this out and make sure we have nice pucks, as you can see. Kind of hard to see, but yeah, it's grinding well. And that's about it for this repair. If you like this video or any of our other videos on our channel, leave a like, subscribe, and hit the bell. Thanks for watching.